Hello. So, our washing machine got updated, and we suddenly noticed that there has been an update in the washing machine. When I turned the washing machine on and started the program, I noticed this. I noticed a new icon appeared here, which if you have watched previous videos of the user experience and washing machine installation, you will notice that this icon wasn't there. And it is not in the manual that came with this washing machine, because at the time we got the washing machine, this program wasn't added. And so we started investigating to understand what this function does. And that is not all. We also noticed another update or a new addition to the programs, and that will be this one, this added steam option, right? So, like I said, the added steam option and this icon here, it wasn't previously added to the functions at the time we got it. And so it is not in the manual, so we had to investigate. Upon further investigation, which is basically reading manuals online, what we understood from what we read is that this icon basically says that when the washing machine is in run and this icon is still showing on the screen, then you can pause the washing machine and add more clothes and continue. As long as this function is showing on the screen, you are allowed to pause the washing machine, add in clothes, and continue. But when you cannot see this icon on the display anymore, it means that you are not allowed to pause the cycle and put in more clothes. So that is basically what we understood from the manual. If you're looking to buy a washing machine, you might want to, look out for these updated functions. Now, for the added steam, this one, from our understanding, this added steam function is basically similar to the anti-crease. I remember in one of the comments, somebody remarked that, oh, there is no anti-crease, function. That's a pity. I understood where they were coming from, because most washing machine has the anti-crease function. So this washing machine got updated with the added steam function. The added steam function is similar to the anti-crease function. So it basically gives similar effects or similar results. My understanding of the anti-crease function is that it gets your clothes less squeezed. If you run a wash cycle without the added steam option, your clothes might come out squeezed and rumpled. With the added steam option, it comes out less squeezed and rumpled. That is my understanding of this update and these functions. Oh, yes, another important information with the added steam that we notice is that, so for a cotton wash, you can load up to 10 kg of wash. But according to what we read in the manual that has this added steam function, it says that if you're going to use the added steam, the maximum wash load you can put in the washing machine is 4 kg. So keep that in mind. If you want to utilize the added steam benefits and effect, you are allowed to load maximum of 4 kg wash. Without the added steam option, you can go the usual 10 kg. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to do the added steam option. However, I noticed something. Even though on the manual it says that you can only use maximum of 4 kg when using the added steam function, right? When I select this option, I don't see any indication saying I can use maximum of 4 kg. Can you see that? So I do not know the dynamics of what is happening. But according to the information on where we read about the added steam, it says to utilize that or to use the added steam option. the maximum amount of wash should be 4 kg. So you want to put that in mind when using the added steam option, right? But for now, I am going to be washing without the added steam option because I don't need it. And the wash is definitely way more than 4 kg. So I will be going out of this, going back to cotton, and so that the added steam option is deselected, and I'll just go with the usual run. So if you're looking to buy a washing machine, I would advise that you look out for these added updated options, or better still, get the one that already have these added functions. And of course, if you haven't noticed it in your washing machine, maybe you should look out for it because it just popped up and then we had to, investigate to know what it actually means. So what we're going to do now, I am going to start the washing machine. So let's see what happens once I push the start button, and let's see how long this will stay before it disappears. So that is it, guys. The icon disappeared from the display about 10 minutes into the wash. So from my explanation and the understanding of the manual we read, this means that from this moment on, we are not allowed to pause and open the wash to add more clothes. So that is it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you're able to get value from this, because that is what my channel is about. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And of course, if you have any other question or something you would want to see, please always ask. I'll be happy to help. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.